Okay guys, welcome back to Monster Live 239. Today I got the Blue Thunder that I needed for the mix. Here's Monster Jam Legacy Trucks. So that sucks they removed the BKT printing. I don't know what happened there. Here's the back. Of course you know, all I need is Scooby-Doo for this set, and that's it. I'm going to Walmart tomorrow, see what other trucks I find. I find Mix 44 because it's coming out in the stores. Blue Thunder guys, go ahead and unbox it. Here it is, guys. Let me put the light on it. Ooh, okay. Blue Thunder, guys. There's a lightning and baby blue sword. No, dark blue rims and beadlocks. Blue Thunder. Headlight printing, grill printing. Blue Thunder. They should do the letters chrome, like chrome decals, like how the actual truck is. There is BKT tires, gray chassis, black roll cage, Monster Jam logo. Taillight printing, feel the energy. I actually miss feel the power, but still pretty cool. Not much to say about this truck, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share, because more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.